Hi, I'm Peter, and in this video I will show you how to put your Volvo 850 headlight together. I hope you already saw the first and the second video, but it's not too late. In the first video I took the headlight apart, and in the second video I prepared everything before putting it together. I hope you got back your refurbished headlight and it looks like this, not like this, like this. This is actually an okay condition reflector, I've seen much worse. But this is brand new. Whoa, look at it. And it still has the cover, it's much better without the plastic. So, at the end of this video, you will see the things you will need. Some kind of glass cleaner, I use isopropyl alcohol, rubber gloves or nitrile gloves, a Phillips screwdriver or Phillips P2 bits, T10 and T25 Torx bits, and microfiber towel. First, you have to check if everything is ready. You need the cable harness, it has to be in good condition, the housing, check if the horizontal adjuster works. If it doesn't, you have to find another housing. The ceilings prepared, the rear covers with the ceilings put back, the low beam cover painted and not broken like this one, the 3 T10 Torxes for the low beam cover, the clips painted, the glass in good condition. The glass and the cable harness are the two things you can use aftermarket if you are short on budget or you have no original source. If your glass is badly pitted, check my glass refurbishment video, which is coming soon. I'm not sure if I will succeed, but I will tell you how to do it or why not to do it. And you need the connector of the vertical adjuster with the screw. And of course the reflector refurbished. If you have everything, we can start. First you have to put back the cable harness in the housing. Just put them in, there is only one way you can do it. Now open the reflector, but only the back of it. Put the vertical adjuster connector back. It's positioned, you can't mess it up. Put in the Phillips 2 screw. Do not screw it too hard. You are putting a metal screw in a plastic thread. Go easy. Next is the cover of the low beam. This is also positioned with the screws. Put it in and push it until it hits the end. Don't try to pull it in with the screws. Remember, metal screws in a plastic thread. Go easy. Now comes my favorite part. Put in the H1 bulbs. This is the best time you can do it. Now put the ground cables back on the bulb sockets. The big one goes on the low beam, the small one goes on the high beam. Watch the order. Now connect the H1 connectors to the bulbs. And now, put the reflector back in its place. If you didn't put it already, now put the rubber or nitrile gloves, in case you accidentally touch the reflector. You shouldn't, but if it happens, it's better in gloves. There are 2 clips on the bottom, one on the side and one is around the middle. Start with the side one. Just orientate it so it slides right on. Watch the angle of the clips. They have to stand like this. Push it in gently until it clicks. And then the middle one. Same method as the side. Aim and go gently. Next is the vertical adjuster on the back. Just put the knob in and slide it into the connector. If it doesn't slide in, you can use the adjuster screw on the end. If it's in, just lock the adjuster in its place. Watch the side of the motor. There are lefties and righties. You know which is which from the orientation of the adjuster screw when they are in place. It has to look straight up. And now you can put on the rear covers. The reflector is now fixed on 3 points. We can move on to the lens. Turn the reflector away. Get the lens, a microfiber towel, and the cleaning material of your choice. I go with 50% isopropyl alcohol. Clean the glass on the inside and on the outside. This way you can remove the water spots and everything that shouldn't be on it. It should be clean. You turn the reflector away because the cleaning material you are using might dissolve the coating of the reflector. Put the sealing in the housing and put the glass right on it. Hold it and get a clip. Try to orientate it to the final position. And clip it on. And another. And another. Go around. The sealing is probably a bit fatter than before, so you might struggle with some clips, but don't give up. If you get stuck, go the other way. And now put the headlight wiper end stop if you have a headlight wiper. And it's done. Now you can enjoy your beautiful headlight. I hope you enjoyed this episode. There is more coming. There will be a comparison between an old and a refurbished headlight. I'm also creating a similar Volvo S70, C70, V70 video parallelly. If you would like to support my work, like, subscribe and check the things I sell all over the internet. There are 3D models on cards, like the phone holder I used, card-themed merch on Redbubble, like this one, or the one I wore during the whole video, and 3D printed products on eBay. Everything is in the description. See you around.